Are you blowing your nose? Uh-oh. Hey. Blow it. Okay, now what do we do with it? Blowing your nose? It's too dark in here, buddy. No more. No more. You only have one. You don't need 4.
Oh.
Uh-oh. No, stop. Hey, show me. Where's your nose? Hey. Goofball. What are you going to do with all these Kleenexes on my floor now? You going to throw them away? You washing your legs with them? Where's your belly?
There.
Right there.
No.
What? Where's your belly? I see it. There's a belly. You wiping it? What are you doing? There's your belly. Where's your knees? What's a cow say?
Moo.
What's it say?
Moo.
Moo. What's a pig say? We'll do it again. What's a pig say? No, pig. What's a pig say?
Moo.
A cow says moo. What does a dog say? Woof. What's a duck say? Quack quack. What's a kitty say? Kitty say? Meow. You say kitty? What does grandma say? What does grandma say? What's grandma do? Does grandma do kisses? No? Alright, say bye. Yeah, grandma's not going to go over there. We got a mess.